Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this quick Python tutorial, we're building a Hangman game. This is the perfect beginner project to sharpen your coding skills and practice loops, conditionals, and input handling. So without any further ado, let's get started. We want to start off by importing random. Random will help us pick a word from our list. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it words. And we'll set this to a list. In this list, we're going to have a list of words that Python will choose and let the user or the player guess the word. So in this list, I'll have the words Python, Hangman, code, developer, and programming. You can have as many words as you like, but I'll have these for now. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it word. And we'll set it to random choice and we're going to call the words variable. So this will tell Python to pick a random word from that words variable. Then we're going to create another variable and we're going to call it guessed letter and I'll set it to an empty list. This is where the guessed letters will be placed. Then we're going to create a variable called tries and I'll set it to 6. So in the Hangman game, the player or the person playing the game only has 6 tries to guess the word. Next, we're going to welcome the user to the game. So we're going to say print welcome to Hangman. Then we're going to also print the underscores for each letter in the word. Now we're going to create the main game loop. We're going to start off by saying while tries is greater than 0. So as long as the player has more than 0 tries, we're going to have a variable called guess and we're going to prompt the user to guess a letter. And we're going to convert that to lowercase because our words from our list are in lowercase. So as long as the user has more than 0 tries, we're going to keep asking the user to guess a letter. Then we're going to say if guessed in guessed letter, print you've already guessed that letter, continue. So this part will check if the player has entered the same letter twice. If they did, it will tell the user and it will continue the program and not crash it. Next, we're going to say guessed letter.append to guess. This appends the guessed letter list we created earlier. Then we're going to say if guess in word, print good guess, else print wrong guess, tries minus equals 1, print tries left, and we call the tries variable. So over here we're giving feedback based on whether they guessed the word or not, and we're also updating the tries count. Next, we're going to create another variable called display word and we'll set it to a list. In this list we're going to say letter if letter in guessed letter, else the underscore of letter in word, print dot join display word. So this line builds a version of the word showing which letters you have guessed. Then we're going to say if underscore not in display word, print congratulations you won. So if all the letters are revealed, the player wins. Else print game over, the word was, and we call the word variable. If the number of tries runs out, they lose and we show them the mystery word. Now let's go ahead and run our program. And so far everything is working well. I know the words because I added them, but if you show it to someone who doesn't know the words, it'll be a fun little game. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or just want to say hi, then leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.